Hello, in this video I will show you how to create Coinpot accounts with Pva Creator. Select Coinpot and click the Add button. Input a random name. How many accounts you want to create. The source can leave it empty. You can leave proxy blank, but better one account by one proxy. Click here to import multiple proxies, or input manually. Here you need to add your email account. Next, go to Outlook, Settings, Enable POP or IMAP. Copy server and port to Pva Creator. Click Next. Add a password you want to use as Coinpot password. Go to captcha to get an API key if you don't have. Finish. Now you can change info on this table. Once you've changed anything, make sure to click Save button. Start to register. This debug window will show you the whole process. You can just leave your computer here and Pva Creator will do this work for you.